In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and create an invoice using QuickBooks. This easy-to-follow tutorial will help you efficiently manage your sales transactions, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks homepage. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can find it by typing in the URL your organization provided or simply searching QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll likely be on your homepage, ready to access all your accounting tools. Next, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice a menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on this Sales tab. This section is where all the magic related to sales happens. It's a centralized hub where you can manage your invoices, customer payments, and sales receipts easily. Once you're in the Sales section, you'll see an option for All Sales. Click on this to view a comprehensive list of your transactions. This is your go-to spot for keeping track of everything you've sold. Whether it's a product or service, you'll find it here. Now that you're managing all your sales, it's time to add a new transaction. Look for the New Transaction button, usually located somewhere at the top or within the header. Clicking this will give you several options, such as creating invoices, sales receipts, and more. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we're focusing on invoices. With the options visible, go ahead and click on Invoice. This action will take you to a new page where you can begin crafting your invoice. Here you'll input all the necessary details about the sale. This includes the customer's name, the date, and a description of the product or service you're billing for. Additionally, there are fields for quantity, rate, and even sales tax if applicable. Be sure to review all the information to ensure accuracy. Details like invoice date and due date are crucial to maintaining good customer relations and ensuring timely payments. Once you're satisfied with all entered data, you can either save the invoice to send later or email it directly to the customer from the platform. QuickBooks also allows you to attach any necessary documents or notes for the customer, making communication smoother and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed an invoice using QuickBooks. This platform offers a seamless experience for managing your financial transactions, helping you keep everything in one place. Remember to regularly check your sales dashboard to monitor your transactions and payments. If you have any questions about specific features or encounter any issues, QuickBooks offers a robust help section and customer support. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!